Well, one of the things we've been saying all week is that we have a very stable environment. Our atmosphere has been very predictable, and we've been able to forecast almost a rinse and repeat kind of forecast every day since Christmas Eve. That's about to change for us in this upcoming week, but here's a little reason why. We've had this low pressure system that was in the central plains hovering there for about 4 or 5 days. It's now made its way to the northeastern portions of the U.S., and which means we're not getting that dry, cold air just streaming down to us. It's creating some opportunities for some storm systems to make their way in from the west, and that's what we'll see next week. So we'll talk about that here in just a few moments. As of now, here's what we're looking at. 38 degrees here in Temple. West-northwest winds at 3 miles an hour, just variable winds at best, so not much at all. 79% humidity, so those dew points are rising as they typically do at night, and clear skies, so you should be able to see those stars tonight just fine. Now, we are looking at some wind gusts, not only today, but through the course of the weekend. And here's what I want you to pay attention to. It's not just how fast those winds are moving, it's actually the direction of those winds, because that's going to dictate how warm we get tomorrow and on Sunday. Today, we were at 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Goldthwaite, the same in Mejia and Fairfield. By and large, everyone was above 20 mile per hour for their wind gusts today. But here's what we're seeing. These wind gusts by midnight tonight are moving it from the west about 10 miles an hour in terms of gusting. That's going to start shifting along the way to a southerly flow. So that southerly flow means we're going to get that Gulf moisture coming in, more moist air, more humidity, which means warmer temperatures for us Saturday and Sunday. So the direction of these winds actually play a really big part in how we're going to feel for the next 2 days. Here's what we see on Sunday night. Southerly winds are meeting these northerly winds. Northerly winds means there's a cold front coming, and that's exactly what's going to happen on Christmas Eve around midnight, maybe 1 o'clock. Early in the morning. And so here's what we're looking at for just tomorrow. Wind chills, because we're going to have 34, 33 degree temperatures with those winds. We're going to be in the upper 20s tomorrow morning. So if you get up, whatever you're planning on doing in the morning, make sure you have a coat. It is going to be chilly, for crying out loud. It feels like spring in the afternoon, though. Here's what we're looking at tomorrow. 67 degrees in Temple. Everyone hovering in the upper 60s, and that's going to be even warmer on Sunday. We're looking at the lower 70s, for crying out loud. So we actually have a really warm weekend ahead. Tuesday, we do have our first storm system coming in. Plenty of rain for us all the way from Tuesday afternoon. It gets a little more robust, and then things start to clear out on Wednesday morning. And then by Thursday, we get some clearing out. But then we see this next system kind of creeping in from the west, and that is going to be our next rainmaker on Friday. So here's how much rain we can expect. Maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain in totality by Tuesday and Friday's rain, and we will be watching that closely. Here's a quick look at our 7-day forecast. We're going to be in the 30s, low 40s throughout the course of the week. Tuesday and Friday are our rain chances.